Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I have a quick Divi pro tip for you. As always, we try to create something that's useful and helpful and short and to the point. Alright, let's get started and show you today's tip. Okay, so this is a quick one. It's how to increase the height of the Divi Builder icon picker. So this is just like a minor thing, but it's one of those things that can really be improved quickly and easily and save yourself some frustration. So we're actually targeting the Divi Builder elements with CSS, and you can do that actually quite a lot. And in fact, I'm thinking of doing like a series on things like that, and I'd be interested in hearing like what you want to do. I mean, you can change colors, you can do anything like that, and I'd be curious to hear what you would want to see about like actually changing the Divi UI. But anyway, in this tutorial, we're just going to focus on this quick little thing, and I'm going to show you right now on the live site. So basically, it's going to involve a snippet, this one right here. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and copy that to my clipboard a while, because I'm then going over to right here. Now, a couple modules have the icon picker area. In fact, any of them, any modules that have a button. So that's actually quite a bit. Even just like the sliders and call to actions and things like that, whatever. But the blurb is kind of the one where people think of it maybe a lot because of, you click on image and icon and then use icon. And then when you're right here, you might be looking down through and you might even be trying to, find something specific, or maybe that there's one and you're just there looking. And as you're scrolling, for me, when I scroll, it takes a good number of them. See how many rows go by every little, like, I guess my mouse has it that way, but to me, it's just not tall enough. I need several more lines, at least. And so what we can do is paste this snippet in here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my website and go into the dashboard. Now, if you had a child theme, you would want to be putting the snippet of code into your style.css file. And I'm just going to do it in the Divi theme options right now because it's quick and easy and it's easy to show you. It's easy for beginners. Okay, so whatever you would have in there before, you can just put it down below, but I'm just going to paste that right there. And I guess I should point it out. Basically, it's targeting some builder elements, and you'll see that at the beginning. You're like, what's all this et-db? Well, elegant themes, Divi Builder. And then et, it's an ID then, etboc. I didn't think through what that means, but et, and it is all these things, but then you get to the actual one. We're targeting the builder's icon list element. And the cool part about the way I'm doing it, I was going to do it where it was just like the blurb module and then another one for the buttons and stuff. But that gets complicated because then you get into all the different modules that have this. So what I'm doing with this is targeting any of the modules that have the icon picker. So I saved the changes, and now I'm going to have to refresh here for it to show up. All right, so I'll just go ahead and go in here, and as if I was going to be, going into my builder here, and I'm going to be adding an icon. And just like that, you can see that my icon adding area is much taller. It's much taller. So there you go. And then I can go into like this button here. Of course, with a button, you have to turn on the use custom styles. And then when you go down in here, see how it's already tall? And it's pretty cool how it's targeting, multiple modules. And just like that, it's such a simple thing. And you could add this to every site that you build just for your convenience. Maybe you have a child theme that you always install with little snippets like this. That's actually a really good tip for you to be doing if you're building multiple sites. Take snippets like this and make a collection and always install them every time you're doing a website. So there you go. Now, obviously, the code that I added was 400 pixel height. Now you could change that. You could make it 300, whatever you want to make it. It doesn't matter. I just thought that was a good one to show you and to kind of show you, how tall it made it. So I hope this is helpful, and let me know similar types of things that you would want to see me do. All right, there you go. I hope that you guys enjoy these quick Divi pro tips that we do for you. If you do enjoy these, be sure to subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for the future, let us know. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.